ये 9th क्लास का पहला चैप्टर है, फिजिकल मैटर्स अराउंड अस, आई थिंक, या मैटर्स इन अराउंड। सो इसमें दे रखा है जैसे मैटर के बारे में, फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर की बात करें तो लाइक बेस्ड ऑन द फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर देयर आर 3 स्टेट्स। ठीक है, सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल्स हो गए जैसे, ठीक है, टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं, दे आर ऑफन हार्ड और रिजिड होते हैं। लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल्स लूजली पैक्ड होते हैं, ये कंप्रेस्ड दैट ऑफ सॉलिड। और जो गैस होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा दूर दूर उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स पार्टिकल्स होते हैं। ठीक है, सो इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि मैटर जो है कैन बी डिफाइंड एज एनी थिंग दैट ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस, जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है, जिसके पास मास होता है। मैटर कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू 2 टाइप्स, फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर और बेस्ड ऑन फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर, केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर बेस्ड ऑन केमिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द conclude the above discussed, we can say that the matter is made up of small particles, that atoms which are compressed of electron, proton and neutron that are separated by space between them. All right, if we talk about their explanation, so particles of matter can vary small in size. Particle of matter जो होते हैं बहुत ही small size में होते हैं, they are have spaces between them. Particles of matter move constantly, they are attached अट्रैक्ट टूवर्ड्स ईच अदर, एक दूसरे की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं। ठीक है, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, द पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर हैव स्पेस बिटवीन देम एंड द पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर आर कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग, द पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर attract each other. Now you will observe that there is no rise in their water level of shows the particle of matter level space between them. Their sugar is added into the water, the sugar the particle adjust themselves in space between the water particles, hence we can say the particle of matter have space between them. All right, so next, the particle in all states of matter are in constant motion, and this is very rapid at room temperature. A rise in temperature increase the kinetic energy and speed of particles. It does not weaken a forces between them. The particles in solid vibrate about fixed position even at very low temperature. All right, if we talk about the particles of matter are attracted towards each other by the intermolecular force known as intermolecular force of attraction. It varies in the 3 states of matter in solid maximum, that's why they are rigid and do not change their shape. सेम गैस और लिक्विड के बारे में भी आई डिस्कस द अबव। सो नेक्स्ट, अगर हम 9th क्लास की बात करें तो इसमें पार्टिकल्स को, मैटर को कितने टाइप्स में, 5 टाइप्स में, फेजेस में बताया गया है। तो ये है सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस, प्लाज्मा और इन एस सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स आर पैक्ड टाइटली, प्लाज्मा और बोस-आइंस्टाइन। ठीक है, टुगेदर इन दे डोंट मूव मच, द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ ईच एटम्स आर कॉन्स्टेंटली इन मोशन। ठीक, इन द एटम्स हैव अ स्मॉल vibrant but they are fixed in their position. All right, if we talk about solid is one of the 4 fundamental state of matter. The atoms in solid are closely packed together and contain the least amount of kinetic energy. A solid is characterized by structural rigidity and resistance to a force applied to the surface. All right, we talk about a liquid is nearly incompressible fluid. ठीक है, ये incompressible होता है बिकॉज देखो, हम अगर एक ग्लास वाटर है हमारे पास, उसको हम दबा के और उसमें पानी ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, इसलिए ये क्या है, इनकम्प्रेसिबल है, इसको हम कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते। ठीक, फ्लूइड that confirm that the shape of its container but retain the constant volume independent of pressure. As such, it is one of the 4 fundamental states of matter and it is only state with the definite volume but no fixed shape. If we talk about gas is one of the 4 fundamental states of matter, the others being liquid, solid and plasma. A pure gas may be made up of individual atoms. A noble gas like neon, elements molecules made from one type of atoms, example oxygen, or compound molecules made up of variety of atoms, carbon dioxide. If we talk about all matters exist in solid, liquid or gas, matter can change from the state of another or if heated or cooled. If ice, a solid, is heated, it changes the water and liquid. This change is called melting. ठीक है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट इफेक्ट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर ऑन मैटर, on increasing the temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of the particles increase. Due to the energy of kinetic energy, the particles start vibrating with greater speed. The energy supplied by heat overcome the force of attraction between the particles. If we talk about the effect of change of pressure on matter, by applying pressure we can bring the particles of matter closer and closer. So by applying pressure, solids can be converted into liquid, and further applying more pressure, liquid can be converted into gases. If we talk about what is fusion, then we can say solid to liquid form is called fusion, liquid to solid form is called solidification, and liquid to gaseous form is called vaporization, and gaseous to liquid form is called condensation. And now solid to gaseous form is called sublimation, and gas to solid form is called deposition. All right. If we talk about evaporation is a type of vaporization that occurs in the surface of liquid as it changes into the gas phase. Okay, the surrounding gas must not be saturated with the evaporating substance. When the molecules of the liquid collide, they transfer energy to each other based on how they collide with each other. Okay, if we talk about factors that affect evaporation, include that concentration of the evaporating substances in air, temperature, air pressure, the rate of airflow, and the surface area. The heat of the sun facilitate the evaporation process, which is important in the water cycle. If we talk about the evaporation cause cooling, because the process required heat energy, the energy is taken away by the molecules when they convert from liquid into gas, and this cause cooling on the original surface. If we talk about the we should wear cotton clothes in summer, why? Then because during summer we tend to sweat a lot, and cotton fabric absorbs this sweat and helps to body cooler down, and cotton allows better air circulation, which help in absorbing and removing body moisture caused by sweat. If we talk about, sometimes we see water droplets on the outer surface of glasses containing ice cold water. This is because of water vapor present in air on coming in contact with the cold glass of water loses energy and get converted to liquid state, which we see